Salam, hello, welcome back to the Hijabi. I have all these candles from Anthropology and I would love to talk to you about them, and I'm going to tell you my honest opinion. Is this $100 candle worth it? Look at all these candles from Anthropology. I'm going to review the Capri Blue candle. This is $100 candle. That's a lot of money. Is it worth it? I'm going to give you my thoughts. As you can see, the containers are just gorgeous. They come in different colors, but a heads up, although I was ordering different containers, I did not know that it was the same essence. So anyways, I got a whole bunch of Volcano, and I guess that's the signature smell when you walk into the Anthropology store, and a lot of people seem to love it. It is a fresh essence with some citric notes. I'm going to put all the actual notes right here, and I like it. I thought that I was going to have different, and then I was going to be able to compare it, but no, I actually did get two different ones other than Volcano. One of them is this one. This is a spice cider. It actually smells totally like the holidays, especially right now that it's still winter, it's snowing outside. This is a great one. I believe that this is seasonal, so you might not be able to find it. And even the container, it's so beautiful. And I did get this one. This is Fear and Firewood. It smells like fresh pine. It smells really good. Then the rest will be the same. But what was my favorite container is definitely this one. This is a white, and it almost looks like a mermaid mother of pearl container. It is really, really nice. And this one, I also got it in the small, so now I have quite a few to play and dress my tables. This is the medium one. It's also really nice. Let me show you this one. This is, I believe, Unresisted, and it's funny because here says fragrance candle bougie perfume. Bougie perfume, that's basically what it is. So it is perfume for your home. And I think that I haven't shown you this one. This is so beautiful. So the lids, they don't seem to fit perfectly, they're all loose. But now guys, do I think it's worth it? So the short answer is yes, I think they're worth it because of the size. The big ones, except for the black, are 50 ounces. And a lot of people have an open concept just as I do in my home. So it is difficult for a smaller candle to perfume the whole house, or at least a level. If you were in a room, there's no problem. You can buy probably something like this, something very small, and you will be fine. But with big houses and open concepts, I think that these big ones are the way to go, simply because they're able to diffuse the fragrance, the essence through the house. So I actually start burning one, and in about 30 minutes I can see them through the whole first floor. So I think they're definitely worth it for that, because before I used to have a couple going in different areas downstairs, so at least I could smell it. But I think this is a great choice for that. So you only put one and then you forget about it for a few minutes. And actually my husband thinks that it's too strong. When he comes home and I'm burning one, he's like, okay, you know, it smells good enough, let's just turn it off. So I usually burn candles. I have a candle going almost in daily basis because I cook a lot. By the way, my fan in the kitchen is not working right now, so it needs to get fixed. I really need something to help me with the smell. It's winter out there, it's snowing, it's super cold, and I'm not able to open any door or window while I cook. So this really came handy. I'm loving them. Actually, it says here 1,417 grams, so that's more than, it's almost a kilo and a half. And I believe that that's why, you know, they are so effective, just because of the size. And some of them have 2 wicks, but the majority have 3 from the big ones. I have tried only a couple, but since it's the same essence, I don't have to burn all of them at the same time. I'm going to be arranging them and putting them through the house. So I have an option, the smaller, probably in a powder room. This could go in a more closed space, like for example an office or a room. But I think they are the best size, like the office. Like I will compare this size to like the one from Bath and Body Works. It's very similar size in my opinion. So guys, that's it from my review. I hope that you enjoy today's video and seeing my new candles. I want to compare them with other high-end candles or expensive candles that I have, like for example with Nest or with a Tom Ford, Joe Malone. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you're new here, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you back in my channel. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for your support. It means the world to me, and I will see you in my next one. Salam and subscribe, and I will leave some videos for you right here and here. And if you want to subscribe, you can go into this circle. Don't forget to turn the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Don't forget to live beautiful.